Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your health records with CVS online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your health records with CVS. Maybe you want to print something. Maybe you want to see what vaccinations you've gotten. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your CVS account. Now, there's two ways that I know that you could actually go ahead about doing this. You can click on Account Next and then click on Test Results and Health Records. Or you could actually click on Menu and you can click on Test Results and Health Records over here as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your health records with CVS online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.